Kaizer Chiefs Amakhosi are hosting AmaZulu Football Club in the Betway Premiership match tonight, the 1st of October at FNB Stadium. But before we get to the preview, let us look at the highlights from the last time the two teams met. Let's watch the highlights.
Kaizer Chiefs last match, AmaZulu FC.
Here for AmaZulu, early on here, Anderson, there's still a chance here, Ofori makes a save, and another, oh my word, how the Chiefs. Well, that's a good passage of play again, Frostler with a cutback, oh my, what will that be? For the first time since the 2018-2019 season, but AmaZulu could get several chance here. AmaZulu have had a poor run against the Gauteng sides this season. They've played 4 and they've only managed the 1 win. They've lost 3 of those matches. Could be problems here! Oh. That would have been spectacular. End product just missing, whether it's the shot on goal or the final pass. But they've won possession high up in the field here with Mordi. Good work from Morales, and the shot is straight at the keeper from Lilepo. Saturday night, a rare goal for him, his first since his Orlando Pirates days. Now, Chiefs are in here again, Macho with a crossfield ball, good work this time, a 4-3. Some excitement amongst the Kaizer Chiefs fans here. Nabi is calling for one of the players warming up. And a here we go again now. Cross coming in, it looks good, and a touch up from a 40, still alive, oh my goodness! Is that Pulamoni? Are paying a price here for their wastefulness here. Cross, oh, a 40 again misses it. Now they get back, Fosa hits the crossbar, appealing for the handball. The ball is still in play here, to the back post. Thinking now, Amanda, with the 2 changes, I mean, 2 different players that he's bringing on in terms of the role they play. With Sereno, the creative player, but Chiefs could be caught out again, and the upright comes to the rescue. The number of late goals they've conceded. Decent ball, and the volley is wide.
Okay, guys, what I've just shown you now are the highlights of the last match between Kaizer Chiefs and AmaZulu Football Club. So now let us preview this match. This match is taking place the 1st of October at 7:30 at FNB Stadium. It is the Kaizer Chiefs home match, meaning Kaizer Chiefs are playing at home. Okay, so what we're going to be doing, we're going to look at their previous 5 matches in terms of the form that the two teams are carrying coming to this match. So we'll start with the home team, which is Kaizer Chiefs, starting with the match that they played on the 19th of August 2025. Where Kaizer Chiefs hosted Richards Bay in the Betway Premiership match, and they defeated Richards Bay by a goal to 0. On the 27th of August, Kaizer Chiefs hosted Mamelodi Sundowns Football Club in the Betway Premiership match, and they played to a goalless draw. On the 30th of August, Kaizer Chiefs visited Lamontville Golden Arrows in the Betway Premiership match, and they defeated Lamontville Golden Arrows by a goal to 0. Then on the 16th of September, Kaizer Chiefs hosted Sekhukhune United, and they lost by 3 goals to 1. Then on the 24th of September, the last match coming to this match, Kaizer Chiefs, in terms of the league matches, they played to a 1-1 draw against Marumo Gallants at home. Okay, that's the last match coming into this match. Now let us look at AmaZulu Football Club. Okay, meaning in terms of the 5 previous matches that Kaizer Chiefs played, they won 2 of those matches, drew 2 and lost 1. So they scored 4 in the process and conceded 4. AmaZulu, their form coming to this match, look at their previous 5 matches. Starting on the 20th of August, AmaZulu hosted Marumo Gallants in a Betway Premiership match, and they won by a goal to 0. On the 27th of August, AmaZulu visited Sekhukhune United. They played to a 1-1 draw. On the 30th of August, AmaZulu visited Magesi Football Club. They played to a 1-1 draw. On the 17th of September, AmaZulu hosted Stellenbosch, and they defeated Stellenbosch by 2 goals to 1. Then on the 24th of September, their last match coming to this match, AmaZulu visited TS Galaxy, and they lost by 3 goals to 1. So out of their 5 matches, AmaZulu, same form with Kaizer Chiefs. They won 2, drew 2, and lost 1. They scored 6 and they conceded 6. These are the teams are almost in the same form in terms of the goals conceded, goals scored, in terms of also the matches that they won. So both teams are carrying a similar form coming to this match. Now let's look at the head-to-head in terms of the 5 previous matches between these two matches. Between these two teams, rather, there's been 2 wins for Kaizer Chiefs, 2 draws, and only 1 win for Amazulu Football Club. Let us look at the league table. Starting with the home team, Kaizer Chiefs are currently at position number 6. They've played 7 matches. They've got 4 wins, 2 draws, and 1 defeat. The goal difference of +3, and they've collected 14 points. Now let's look at the visiting team Amazulu. They're currently at position number 9. 7 matches played, 3 wins, 2 draws, and 2 defeats. Goal difference of -1. They've collected 11 points. So my predictions for this match, I'm predicting a 1-1 draw for this match. Guys, go to the comment section and give me your predictions, guys. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Tebs Kosana. Please, guys, help me grow the platform by joining to become a member, by subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing the videos. Thank you very much.